Karma Guy here. Introducing this 2009 Cadillac CTS, a luxury sedan with very low miles, only 51,000, and just one previous owner. It boasts up-to-date emissions, dealer service history, and comes with its original books. As a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, it's backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty and offers a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted rate when purchased. You can also explore a lifetime warranty upgrade for added protection. To ensure complete transparency, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection for your peace of mind. Please note, any additional price reductions will void the CPO status and associated benefits. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Drive confidently with this reliable, meticulously maintained Cadillac CTS. Ready to elevate your driving experience? Let's make it happen.